Making your roof tent camping experience as comfortable as possible is all about creating a relaxed and organised space. Whilst our site managers will do everything in their power to ensure you have a good time on site, here's a few things to ensure you're as comfortable as possible in your tent. A couple of great things to bring with you on your roof tent adventures are a USB power bank and a head torch. A power bank so you can charge all of your devices and cameras, but also a head torch for those dark nights. I personally like to use a rechargeable head torch. Batteries can run out, but this way I can always charge it back up using my USB power bank. Having a roof tent can take you to some amazing places, but it doesn't mean that you need to skimp on comfort. For me personally, I like to bring a couple of pillows, a duvet, a big fluffy blanket, some fairy lights and my favourite book. This way, it's a home from home. Using your roof tent in summer can mean that the light can come through quite early. So a great way to combat this would be bringing along a sleep mask. This way, you're shielded from those bright rays of sunshine coming through early morning. Maybe some earplugs too, just so you're not woken by the early birds chirping. And finally, if you're keen to optimise your sleep just a little bit more, a great way to do that could be by adding a mattress topper or upgrading your whole mattress to something such as memory foam. And that way, you know you've done everything in your power to ensure you have a great night's sleep. So you don't have to have a set of fancy drawers and a fridge like this, but for roof tent camping, optimising your storage is key. So even having a couple of storage boxes for your food and your cooking equipment is fantastic. Pro tip from me, having your kitchen roll easily accessible on a bungee in your boot is a fantastic way in case you have a quick spill and you need to mop it up. When it comes to storage inside your roof tent, all tents will have a couple of pockets and they're a great place to store your phone, wallet and keys during the night. One last tip from me, nobody likes to have smelly or wet footwear in a tent. So having a product like this, a boot bag to store your footwear in, is a great way to ensure the inside of your tent remains clean and dry overnight. So those are my top tips on how to stay comfortable in your roof tent. If you think we've missed any, drop your tips in the comments below. But otherwise, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Caravan and Motorhome Club YouTube channel.